morning, folks. Today we're going to look at how to install an outlet block on a house before you put on siding. So the first thing I want to do is figure out where I want it. And I want it to be about the same height above all the other ones. Well, there's no other outlets on this side at all or on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it about the same as what is inside, so that you're bending down the same distance. So those are at 16 at the top. So we're going to mark a 16-inch mark. And we're going to put the top of our box at 16. Now these come with a ring on them. So you got to take that ring off. That trim ring. And then you're going to nail into these holes here. So we're going to stick this on here. We're going to grab a nail. We're just using our regular siding nails. We're going to throw the box on the ground. Now I'm not making that one tight, because the next thing I want to do is level it up. I have this 1 foot level that's really handy. I would highly recommend you keep one of these if you're going to do siding. Then we're going to level this. I'm going to stick my level on the box, make it level, and then I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to mark it, so that way if something happens, I drop a nail or whatnot, I don't have to re-level it. I just have to go to my pencil lines again. So now you just nail it off. And there we go. Now we have our electrical box on the house, and siding will go around it. We'll butt siding up to it, leaving a 1/4 inch gap for expansion on that siding. And then we'll save this, and at the very end, we'll put that on, and it'll act as the J channel. It'll cover up where the siding butts in there. But we kind of want to save this if we're right there. For now, since I'm not putting siding on yet, I'm just going to stick that right on there, so that way when I come back to it, I know exactly where it is and it's not going to get lost. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for the view. Make sure to work hard, because hard work is its own reward, and try to better yourself today. Do something today that makes yourself better than you were yesterday. Maybe you do some physical exercise, maybe read a book, maybe try to learn something. Maybe clean up your diet, something like that. Something that makes yourself better today than you were yesterday. Thanks for watching.